sad world.
Yeah, just keep going.
Prepare to attack. Select
What do
your
they
hero.
play? Cancers. Hell yeah, I can do this.
Um,
How's it going?
I'm gonna end my stream.
Pretty good, pretty good.
No.
I can't play either the tanks, but I don't know how to play Winston or Diva very well.
Don't you fucking say it.
I guess that was fine. I'll do it.
Hold on, I'm here. I'm just switching around some priorities.
The cringe is expected.
It is good to fight alongside one of my brightest pupils. And you, Master.
Yeah, what's up?
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Alright.
Wait, yes, I forgot I had this.
You want a McCree or you want a soldier?
Neither of those are good for dive.
5, 4,
Are you
3,
fucking stupid?
1.
Neither
Alright,
of those
I'm
are
going,
good for
bottom
dive.
left tunnel.
Soldier can run,
Objective A.
bitch.
Just so I can see where they're set up a little better.
Well, they're all top right. Except for the Arista on the bottom.
Alright, they dropped. Diving back line.
Alright, Bridget down. He stole my
Yep.
kill. Hanzo above.
I'm on my way back. Where's the Hanzo at?
I'll focus soldier.
He's discorded right now. He's back.
He's down.
Brian's discorded.
On the Rhine?
Run low.
I'm out of
On
my.
the Orisa?
Arista one. Thank you.
Alright, I think we
Back
can go back.
Oh, he countered me.
He hit both
guess?
of us.
Escort the payload.
That was good. We got the point. We got the point.
They're pushing up pretty hard.
Yeah, that's dumb. We have a huge spawn in here.
That's not me.
Those are all.
Yes.
Okay, dude, they're burning ults. Let's just let them do it.
I was waiting for them to ult before I ulted.
Alright, that's one good
Okay.
Experience tranquility.
Yeah, you're getting dicked right there. I can't do much. I'm trying to save
Hanzo's
you.
really
Zen.
low in the back.
There's a lot of shields. Yeah.
A Junkrat would probably be good.
Arista low.
I'm dead.
He shouldn't have hit me. There's no
I've
possible
been
way
diving
he
on that
could have.
Hanzo.
Anyways,
Yeah, they're literally running anti-dive. We need to switch up a little bit. We need
I
some
did
shield break.
switch.
They're running two major
I
shield
did
tanks.
switch.
Junkrat? I don't
Are
play
you
Pharah
kidding
Mercy
me?
that hard, but I'll be around.
I got you. I got you.
Alright, I'm about to dive their back
Don't
line.
get slept by that Ana. She's really good.
I did not know they were running
Yep.
behind us.
I threw a Discord on you just as you died. Or, yeah. Oh, bridge is behind us.
I will not fail again.
I really shouldn't have wraithed that way.
Alright,
No,
group
no.
up. We need to stop dying one by one here. We need some heal for the back line because if they're gonna keep coming behind us, that's just
Yeah, I'm
Guys.
waiting for you guys. I'm behind them.
Okay.
Come over here, sir.
I'm sorry, guys. My panel keeps yelling at me.
I will not waste this opportunity. Clearing the area.
Ryan's out of position. We should push.
I have all. Oh.
Oh, he's coming for me. Oh man, dude. He should have popped it a second sooner to save me. Thank you, thank you.
Hanzo on ledge.
Back online.
Yo, what the
Bridget.
fuck?
She was on top of him. That is not where I wanted to transport to.
I
Nobody's around you.
play in.
I'm going around the back again.
Clearing the area.
Shields, both shields are down.
The payload moves with certainty.
I've got you in my sight.
Above, 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 above. Oh my god.
Always end up walking.
What the hell?
Yeah, but they killed the rest of us.
60 seconds remaining.
We
Alright.
need to group up. I'm not gonna push in yet.
Valkyrie is charged.
Oh, I'm about to die. Yeah. I wish you could cancel the teleport.
Soldiers behind to the right.
Hanzo's up top.
30 seconds remaining.
Hanzo and Soldier are both top left.
Alright,
I'll go behind him.
shields down.
Watch out for the Bridget. She's pushing in behind you guys.
Anti-heals, anti-heals.
10 seconds
At Grav. Going for it.
Yeah, there wasn't. I got trapped in the right room.
Rakit's in our back line, guys.
She's really low.
She's low?
I'm.
We must ensure the payload's progress.
I can't run there fast enough.
Holy dooly. Stop me if you've heard this one before.
He's half. Never mind. He's getting healed by the Ana.
Oh.
Here we go.
Score 1-0. Switching sides.
Alright, let's just try and full hold them.
Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
What do you want for the last DPS?
I can do Widow if you want to do tank again, but I don't care.
I'd rather someone else do tank. Okay, yeah.
We're all soldiers now.
surprise, but want to team up?
Not if you were the last human on Earth.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
I could have used a little more time to get ready.
Actually, I'm gonna put my trap over here.
It is not my preference to seek him out personally.
If I shoot right between his thighs, it hits spawn.
My shield's up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Please go behind the barrier.
Sorry, bottom left. Ryan, bottom left.
Everyone heal up.
Zarya's half. So good staggers. They're pretty staggered right now.
Back up a bit so I can get a heal from you guys up.
Cross the off.
Thank you, thank you.
Try not to charge the Zarya. Zarya's half. Nice. They're Ryan. They're
I'm
Ryan
about to have
switched
Pharah.
off. Zarya bottom left. She's going up the. No, no, she's down.
They're
She's
going
down.
right, or they're going bottom right.
Hanzo and Diva come here.
Oh wow. I have to pick me right as the shield fell.
I got the diva.
I've got you in my sights.
Yeah, they're in the ride. They're in the ride. I dropped. Coming.
Where did that diva go? You kill her?
She's down there.
Behind you, soldier.
Get over here and heal up.
Yeah, she's coming behind Junkrat.
Zarya's pretty charged. Watch out.
I need help with the diva now. I need help, I need help, I need healing, I need healing. Thank you. I should have died there.
Alright, we're down one here.
I saw 4 of them, sorry. Nice, nice, nice. Sorry, I should have called that out sooner, but I saw 4 of them.
I'm coming back right now.
They have like 2 more pushes.
Radio, baby.
That's coalescence for next fuck.
60 seconds remaining.
Zarya's half. Zarya really low. Never mind.
We're getting up here.
Wow, I comboed that pretty good.
Probably should have seen that coming in. I grouped up so hard.
Survive as long as you can. We're coming back, and I have ult.
Same.
I held it for as long as I could.
30
You
seconds.
go for the retake.
Down or just hold?
Keep the pressure on. We can't let up now.
Go.
Get in there.
Okay.
Alright, I'm pulling back.
Yeah, come back. Oh
Ah.
shit.
Right as I go.
No rest for the weary.
That was some bullshit.
Where is over here? On top of the pylon terrace.
Yeah. Talent arrow.
Alright.
Damn it. Get over here and heal up.
Why am I the one getting shot when I'm all the way back?
Yeah, we're giving him a lot of free push right now.
I was pushed up because we need to drop.
We have no one
can't-
down here to hold it.
Yeah, exactly.
I
You
gotta
gotta
drop.
drop.
The war goes on.
Thank you.
Damn, Moira kept jumping around so I couldn't
He was out of
bubble
mag.
her.
See about a mech.
I have grab when we get back. You almost have visor.
60 seconds remaining.
Get into position.
Oh, left.
I don't quit till the fight.
Yo, Baby Diva's low? Oh, she was so low. Stagger that, Zarya.
This will heal you.
Oh, we're
Fucking
30 seconds remaining.
here coming up.
Will.
First person
I'm
gonna-
trying to just keep
Sorry, on the
track and
left.
hold him back.
Yo, Zarya's on the left. Far left. Hanzo by himself. Okay.
Knock me down and I'll keep getting back up. Experience tranquility.
Soldier on point.
Good hold, good hold.
GG, guys.
Hey,
Oh, that was scary.
GG.
Play of the game.
Yeah, I saw that one coming.
Triple, quadruple kill.